Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Chu, Kaisa Hai? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Insight Generator. Power up your data insight. So, guys, I am here with the another videos, and in this video, we are going to see one of the features which is available in Power Query called Invoke Custom. Right? What is Invoke Custom Functions available in Power Query, and how do you use this? Let's understand this by one example. But before that, I would request you guys and all my viewers, please like, share, and do subscribe my channel so that if I update any videos, you guys are not going to miss any updates, right? So let's understand this right now. मान लो आप एक कोई स्पेसिफिक कैलकुलेशंस परफॉर्म करते हो एंड रिपीटेडली परफॉर्म करते हो तो रिपीटेडली परफॉर्म करने की वजह से आपको बार बार कोई कैलकुलेशंस लिखने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है बार बार लिखते हो आप लोग राइट सो हियर यूजिंग invoke custom functions you don't have to write the calculations again and again right you simply create a functions or a query right and whenever you need to perform the calculation that custom calculations you simply need to call them it means you simply need to invoke them so how to do that let's understand that उसके पहले हम पावर क्वेरी एडिटर में चलते हैं एंड पावर क्वेरी एडिटर में वी विल सी बाय द लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस राइट okay finally we are on power query editor mode so here we can see a lot of queries but I am taking this product table for this example this product related informations this table contains and likewise we also have the two more columns called product cost and the product price right let's say for example we need to perform a calculations where I can basically calculate the profit of every single product so we have the product cost and we have the product price when you will subtract this product cost from the product price we will have the profit but we don't have to write this calculations again and again so how to create a custom functions how to create the queries for this one it's a very simple process guys just pay your attention here you simply need to go to this under home tab and under the home tab the new source where you basically extract the data here you see the options called blank query when you will click on the blank query here you are just going to write the calculations right so we are going to perform the calculations based on the two columns one is product cost and another one is product price so guys at least pay your attention here because this is very case sensitive and this is how you have to write the query so first we need to assign the variable or we need to define the variable so I let's say for example price as a number price I have assigned as a number now we have cost is also being assigned as a number and now this is how we have to write now we are just going to write the calculations thereafter after assigning the variable we have to calculate the profit so profit will be calculated when you will subtract cost from the price it means price minus that is cost I hope you are clear right now I am simply hit OK so this is the parameters here you can check whether by entering some values by providing the inputs you can check the results whether it is giving you the right result or not but we don't have to do anything with this enter parameters right you can also rename the query here so since this is for profit calculations profit profit calculations right I have just renamed this now I'm going to create the calculations over here right in product table right go to the add column options and under that you see this invoke custom functions so when you click the invoke custom functions okay so what is the name of the column in new custom column that you are going to create we are going to create a column for the profit right so I'm going to name it as a profit column now what is the functional queries now the query yani fx you can see over here it is denoted by the fx the query that you have created over here so when you will click on the drop down menu so you see the profit calculation so as of now we have created just one custom queries so I have selected the profit calculations Now both the columns will appear over here. Now what type of calculations you want, basically you have to find the difference, and you have already defined the calculation and assigned the variable when while creating this query, right? Now you simply need to choose this product key, what to say, price. So at the name of the price we have to choose this product price, and cost you can see here. So you have to little pay your attention over here. Here you will see no options to choose any columns, because if you see the data type, it is something showing something different, right? So first you need to change from decimal number to the column name, and then you will see the options to choose the column. So product price we have already chosen over here. Now as a cost I'm going to choose this product cost. So what it will do, it will basically subtract this cost from this price. So at the name of price, whatever the column you choose over here, and what are the column you will choose at the name of the cost, it will find the difference between both the columns. So difference has already been calculated while creating this queries. When you will click now OK, you will see a column has been inserted over here with the name profit that you have given, right? So you can also change the data type. So the data type you can write here as a decimal number, because it's a decimal number. So you can see for the first record the cost is 13 and the price is 34. It means the profit is around 21, right? So it is quite simple, guys. You can see, I hope you can understand now what is invoke custom functions, right? And that's all for these videos. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next videos. Thank you so much.